So I told you guys that for the day we will be expecting GBPUSD to give us a bullish move. If you have not watched the channel, if you have not watched the previous analysis we did, I will advise you to go back to go and watch it so you will understand why I said that we will be expecting a bullish move. So if you are new to this channel, please, you have not yet subscribed, right? I want you to do it. To do click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. You can also stay updated by following the Telegram channel because we are going to be putting one or two updates for you guys in the Telegram channel. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, follow the Telegram. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Now let's go down to our daily. We will go back to our daily time frame. So we are going to understand what market is doing. And as you can see on our GBP USD, we are in an uptrend move. You can clearly see that market is very much in an uptrend move, right? We had this first high here. Market was able to give us this first high. Then it dropped to give us an higher low. Market then push up one more time to form a new higher high. And then here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. And here comes the higher low. Market push up again to form a new higher high. This is an higher low. Market then was able to push up to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Now that we've gotten this higher low, next movement that market did was to give us a new higher high. So this is one of the reasons why I said that this is a massive bullish move because we are in an uptrend on GBP USD. Then in a previous analysis, I said that there must be a pullback. Market must first give you a pullback before you anticipate for another bullish move, right? Guess also what market did? Market gave the pullback. This is a pullback. Then it was able to play a buy setup on your 1 hour time frame. If you had to go to your 1 hour time frame, you can see multiple rejection at this zone before market was able to push up. So now that market has pushed up, it is pulling back. Then another movement upward. So that is to tell you that when the market opens, when the London session opens, be looking for your buy on your GBP USD because GBP USD will still give us a bullish move. So our next movement on GBP USD is still a bullish move. More updates will be covered for you guys. So subscribe and follow the Telegram so you will not miss out on any single updates.